everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate Kim Kardashian's makeup look. This is the makeup look that she wore to her most recent KKW Beauty launch party. I even changed up my hair and I did the sleek straight hair with the middle part that Kim usually does. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and if you guys would like to see more celebrity inspired tutorials like these, leave a comment down below which celebrity I should do next. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. I already filled in my brows off camera. Now I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. I already primed my eyelids using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer. For the eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this MoschinoxSephoraCollection Bare eyeshadow palette. This is just the cutest eyeshadow palette ever. I'm going to be using these two shades of blue. This is in Nightlife and Deep Sea. First, I'm going to be taking Deep Sea and adding that into my crease. And these shadows are very pigmented because I have worked with them before. So I'm just going to be careful. Wow. It kind of looks like a mess right now. I think I started with too much color because I underestimated how pigmented these shadows were, especially the blues. So now I'm going in with Nightlife. I'm taking a more precise brush. This is the Morphe M506 and I'm getting some of that onto my brush. Now I'm taking a fluffy blending brush with no product on it and I'm just going to blend the edges out. So now I'm going to be taking Nightlife with my fingers because it has more shimmer on my fingers than it's showing up on my lid when I blend it away. And just applying that. Oh wow, see, that is the color that is more like what Kim used. And I kind of dragged out the eyeshadow to my outer corners because Kim's eyeshadow is more cat eye. It's very hard to tell in the picture, but I'm just going to go with a cat eye eyeshadow shape because that's what she usually does. I noticed I blended this eye a little bit higher than I blended this eye, so I'm just going to try to even that out. To add more sparkle to the eye look, I'm going to be using the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Into the Blue. And I honestly love the effect that the glitter eyeshadow added. I love these Stila glitter eyeshadows because it's so easy to add glitter to any look. And I want to collect them in every single shade they have. Now I'm going to line the upper lash line using the Marc Jacobs Eyeliner. And this is in Blacquer. And I'm going to line my waterline, my tight line, and my lash line. I am back from lining my waterline and my tight line, and my eyes are watering because I don't normally use eyeliner on my tight line or waterline. I just don't. I just need to put on mascara and pop on some lashes. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using Violet Voss Vamptress lashes. Okay, so this is the completed eyeshadow look, and now I'm going to move on to face. And I'm going to apply a lot of that under my eyes because Kim's under eyes are super highlighted. And I'm also going to highlight on my chin. I'm going to be applying some setting powder, and I'm using the Cover FX Perfect Loose Setting Powder. Now that we've set our face, we're going to move on to contour, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in light to medium. Kim has a very strong contour. She is known for her contour. She's basically the contour queen. So we are going to contour the heck out of our face. And for blush, I use the Smashbox LA Lights palette with bronzer, blush, and highlighter. And I use the colors True Flush and Highlight Coral because Kim had a peachy blush on. And for highlight, I'm going to be using the Balm Mary Luminizer highlighter. I haven't used this highlighter in so long. And like always, I'm going to be taking a smaller detailing brush and applying highlight to my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my brow bone. And before applying the lipstick, I'm going to be setting my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And I'm going to drench my face in this because Kim has a very dewy look. For lips, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade 242 No Angel. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me recreate Kim's makeup look. It was honestly really fun for me, and looking in the mirror, I didn't do too bad. Don't forget to subscribe and do not be one of the 77% of the people who watch my videos and aren't subscribed. Okay. And that is the completed makeup look.